back to my videos, guys. So today I'm just making another video on the project I've been working on. So last time I showed you guys what I had made in this. Well, let me reopen it. Yeah, so what I had made, and so I had made this page, and then I told you guys that the register student worked. So now I've fixed all three of them, and so now all three of them work. So update student, you can update student, and register school, you can still register school. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be showing you guys how I make these. So today I'm going to be making the delete student part of it, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I make it. And of course I'm not going to be explaining it because you won't understand most of it, because you'll still have to because I still haven't made a lot of my tutorials which will help you make this, so you'll not understand most of it because I haven't made all my tutorials which explain what I'm doing. So what I do is I use this instead of IntelliJ, because on here I have everything. In IntelliJ it's a little different, so that's why I'm just using this. And so here I just have my classes, and here are just HTML pages, and HTML is a different language, and I won't go into detail because I will be explaining that sooner in my tutorials. So this is the front page. So this is index. So this is literally the front page. So you see this is what it is. So this is a coding for the HTML coding. So this is the update student. So you can update the student. So this is right. This is what it is. So let's quickly copy this, and let's also copy break line, which breaks the line. So there's this is on the bottom line, another line under it. So this time it's this would be so DEL student. Let's call it DEL student for delete student. And so let's do let's do delete student. So delete student. And so now in entry controller where we're controlling, let's create another, let's do another request mapping. So it wouldn't be new student form, would be delete student form. So we would create it update student save. We would create it over here. So under this, so right here. And so instead of this, it would be new. So I mean delete. So DEL student form. And so you take this word to delete student form. And let's keep this the same. The student same. Okay, here let's do DEL student form. And so let's quickly just see. Copy. Update student ID form, because in delete we would want, because update student ID form asks you to enter student ID, so you know which student ID you want to update. So in delete it's going to ask you student ID also, but this time it's going to just delete all the thing from that student ID. So let's just we can just copy this by doing Control C, and let's Control V, and so let's call it, remember we're calling it DEL student form. So take away ID, and we're doing DEL student form. There you go. And so let's open this up. And so it's opening, and there you go. So our background color is yellow, and so we would do enter student update info. Okay, we would do enter student ID of student you want to delete. So you would just delete, and so we can take away this line because we won't need this line, because in the last one we had to say that we won't be able to delete the student ID or like updated student ID. In this one we don't have to say that. And so let's do action update. So we do delete student save, and so the object student in the method, and method, let's see, it would be not, I don't think it would be get. You're not getting anything, so I think it would be post. Let's do method post. And so enter student ID of the student you want to delete instead. So we would do delete, and then so the field would be student ID, so it would go in student ID. So this is so we would do save here. Let's do save. It wouldn't be next. Our button would be, instead of, it would be save, not next. So we want that. And so this page is good. We have to save it also by saying Control S, because in this you have to save. So delete student form. So in this is delete student form. So we'd go to delete student form here. And so, okay, so now we have to do saving we have to do saving thing, and we have to do saving what you get, so the student ID you get, and like also, like then deleting. So we have to copy, wait, not this. We have to do copy this. This is what we have to copy. No. Is this? Yep. So we have to copy this and put it over here. Delete. Okay, delete. Wait, no. Save, delete. Save, delete. Let's just do ID. And value update. No, it's delete student save. And then it's post. So we have to do post. Okay. And so here, yep, it's that throws exception. We don't need this. And so we can just delete this. And oh wait, actually we have to keep this. And so this should, I think, be int. Wait, this would be I. And so we don't need this. I mean, we will need if, and then return student. So, okay, wait. So update student form. I'm just gonna fix this. All right. So for delete student, we'll have to make another one. So because like for the other ones I've been using that it would save, it would just say like student information saved. We can't do that for delete. So we would have to create a different one called student information deleted. And so that's what I'm thinking about. So return student deleted. Student deleted, and then there would be another one that would be student not deleted. And so let's keep this here, and let's slash this out, and let's do student not delete. So this will show if the student was successfully deleted or not. Right now we don't have to worry about it. So I equals that. So it would be DAO. It wouldn't be show student ID. So we have to go in student DAO, which is data access object. And here we have to create one for deleting. So let's just copy this, I guess. Okay, let's copy this. Wait, no. Copy this, come on. Copy, and let's go all the way down, and so let's post this. And so right here, this would be delete student, good, and this is the connection, so it knows which SQL you're doing. All right, so here we have to delete this. So delete. And so let's do delete. Wait, no. Delete from student where this is our query. So this is what we want to get executed in SQL. So where student ID equals, and then question mark, and then so the question mark would be, so we can delete this. Get student ID. It would be the student ID that we entered. So you did get student ID, and this would be set int. So we would do return. So it returns I. So let's save this. Let's go back in. So we can close student. We don't need student open. Go back in here. So it would return I. So now if we have to do if I is greater than 0, that means if it did return something, then student deleted. And so I don't have this one yet. Else student not deleted. All right, so now let's create student deleted and student not deleted. So there's school not saved and school saved. Let's copy student saved. And so it would be the same thing. Instead, this time it would be student deleted. And so let's just do del. So okay, let's open up student del. So right here, open this up. Okay, so here it would be student information deleted. There you go. And so let's save this. Let's go back to enter controller so we can take away this and take away this. Wait, what's wrong in here? Change type of I to result set, or change return type of student show. Oh wait, I have this wrong still. It has to be delete student. There you go. And so this method must return a result of type string. Wait, this. So I think I have to change this to int. Wait. Okay, there you go. Let's see what's wrong. Okay, this method, add return statement. Wait, I do have a return statement. Okay, let's fix this. Okay, there you go. Okay, that's fixed. And we have to create student not delete. So there's a student not saved. We have to copy that to student not saved. Copy that. And let's do student not del for delete. And we would open, okay, let's open student not del. And so in this, we would do, it already shows the error student information not saved. You would do not deleted. And let's save that. And there you go. We've made that part. So let's quickly stop the code let's quickly stop this so we can rerun it. So let's close this. And so let's keep a new tab open. All right. And so we have created the delete. We have done all the coding. So now we go back to the main class to run this. So you can see on the bottom, you have to wait. It's running. And so once everything loads, okay, now it's done loading. You can let's put in the place where we got it, and you can see there's an option called delete student. Okay, well it shows an error. That means we've done something wrong. So let's see what we've done wrong. So it could also give us here. Let's see, did it give us here anything that we've done wrong? Nope. So I don't think it's any. I think it's just the name we put wrong. The name. Okay, delete. Let's go in index. So it goes to del student. Del student. So is this word right? Del student. Oh wait, I have to add form here. I have to add the word form. That's why, because I put the name. So I put the, well, whoopsies. I put the word name. I put the name wrong. So I did delete student. And it was trying to find delete student because it was actually delete student form. So now let's stop the code and rerun it. Okay, now let's rerun it. Wait, let's quickly reopen it. Okay, let's rerun it. So it's loading. And so there you go. And so let's do it now. Let's see. Does it, okay, that worked. And so let's actually open up MySQL before we do it. So let's open up MySQL workbench. And so let's just see if let's just like see which one we're gonna update. So let's do this. And so let's say what do I want to update? Delete. Okay, let's do 15 because I don't want to mess up my table. So let's just delete 15. So we enter in 15. Save. Student information deleted. So you can trust that. I know it. You can trust it. Yeah. So you can trust it. So if it says student information deleted, I'll just still check if it did delete, and you can see there's no more 15. Like if I can just if I just run something else, let's just run this and then rerun this. You can still see it's deleted now. So like you can trust this page, and so you don't have to. I just checked to make sure it did work, and so you can see that it worked. So you can see now that I have created the delete student one. So it isn't really that simple. It's just that yeah, it's just that I'm getting more used to it as I do and make more, so that's why it's getting a little bit easier for me. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I know you guys might not have understood most of this stuff, so it's still fine. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I'll be explaining this future on my tutorials, but I still have a lot to explain in SQL and a bunch of other things. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you guys want more of these videos and like more seeing my project more, and don't forget to smash the like button. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys!